Coming in, the verdict in the Pune German bakery blast case has come in, and Himayat Baig, the only person under arrest by the police, has been found guilty. He is the lone accused who has been arrested. The bomb blast took place in 2010 at the high-profile German bakery in Pune, a very popular spot there. 17 people were killed in that blast and 64 injured on February 13th, 2010. Mirza Himayat Baig from Udgir in Maharashtra was the only suspect to have been arrested in the case. He was arrested in Pune on September 7, 2010. Investigators claim that they found 1,200 kilos of explosives from his home in Udgir in the Latur district. The charge sheet filed in the court names 5 others as conspirators and absconding in the case. These are Mohsin Chaudhary, Riaz, the brothers Yasin and Bhatkal and Riaz Bhatkal, as well as Iqbal Bhatkal and Fayaz Kagzi. So the 5 others suspected to be behind the blasts are absconding in the case. The prosecution has said in court that the blast was planned at a meeting in Colombo in 2008, where Baig was trained to make the bomb, that he then assembled the bomb at his cyber cafe in Udgir. However, the defense did dispute this, and they claimed that Baig was innocent, that he was just picked up by the police, and that the case against him, that he was framed in this case. In fact, they even said that Baig was not in Pune at the time of the blast. So that is the big story. The verdict in the German bakery case, and the lone accused who has been arrested, Himayat Baig, has been found guilty by the court. 17 people were killed in this blast and 64 others injured when the blast took place on February 13th in Koregaon Park, February 13, 2010. It was a very popular bakery, very popular with students, with foreigners, and it was crowded at the time of the blast. Since then, it has reopened just in February this year. In fact, on the anniversary of the blast is when the bakery reopened after 3 years. So, and now Mirza Himayat Baig, the only arrested person in this case, has been found guilty. There are 5 others suspected in the case who have been named in the charge sheet filed by the investigators. However, they have all been declared absconders. This is Mohsin Chaudhary, Fayaz Kagzi, and the 3 Bhatkal, the Bhatkal brothers, Yasin Bhatkal, Riaz Bhatkal, and Iqbal Bhatkal. The prosecution said in court that the planning for the blasts was done in Colombo in 2008, when all the accused had met in Sri Lanka, and that then it was carried out after Baig put together the bomb, that he was trained to make the bomb in Colombo, and that he assembled the bomb at his cyber cafe in Udgir in Maharashtra. The defense, however, has claimed that Baig was not in Pune at the time of the blast. So after 3 years, finally, the first verdict in the case, a local court pronouncing that verdict, finding Baig guilty in the blast case. 17 people had been killed and 57 injured. The dead included 4 foreigners, that is 2 Sudanese, an Italian, as well as an Iranian national. The prosecution in total examined 103 witnesses in the case, and just one lone conspirator, arrested lone conspirator, is there in the custody, Mirza Himayat Baig, who has been found guilty. As we said, there were 5 other suspects who are still at large. They've been declared absconding. However, there is a 7th suspect as well who is not arrested. That is Zaibuddin Ansari. His name figured in the charge sheet. However, he was arrested in Delhi in June 2012 in connection with the 26/11 Mumbai attack case.